In the streets of Boston town, the whispers filled the night. The people stood together, ready for the fight. Taxes from a distant king, burdens growing strong. A spark of freedom in their hearts had waited far too long. The harbor watched in silence beneath the moonlit sky. A nation yet unborn prepared its battle cry. Throw the tea into the harbor, let the waves carry our voice. For freedom is not given, it is a people's choice. From the docks of Boston Harbor, a revolution would arise. The dream of liberty was shining in their eyes. Disguised beneath the darkness, they boarded every ship. No treasure taken from the decks, no gold within their grip. Only chests of tea were broken, falling to the sea. A message to the empire: we were born to be free. The cold December water carried history away, and every crashing wave announced a brand new day. Throw the tea into the harbor, let the waves carry our voice. For freedom is not given, it is a people's choice. From the docks of Boston Harbor, a revolution would arise. The dream of liberty was shining in their eyes. The storm was not of thunder, the storm was made by men who chose to stand for freedom and never bow again. Across the 13 colonies, the echo traveled far. A single night in Boston lit a revolutionary star. Throw the tea into the harbor, hear the bells of liberty ring. The people found their courage and challenged a mighty king. From the waters of the harbor to the pages of history, the Boston Tea Party became the road to liberty. December winds still whisper across the harbor's tide. Remember those who stood as one, with freedom as their guide. The tea sank to the bottom, but the dream would never fall. For the spirit born in Boston still lives within us all.